Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Keshwani from ABES Engineering College, and in this object-oriented programming with Java lecture series, I am going to discuss the introduction, history, and features of Java. So basically, why we need Java? The first reason is that Java is very easy to learn because of the reason that Java resembles the English-like syntax. Java is also versatile. Java is object-oriented. Java is scalable also, and Java is platform independent. Okay, Java has a rich API, and Java is free of cost. Okay, so these different features that makes Java that makes Java very famous for the web development also. Okay, so what are the history of basically what is the history of Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling in the early 1990s. Okay. The team initiated this project to develop a language for digital devices such as set-top boxes, televisions, etc. And later on, what happened? This the originally that it was done with the help of C++, but later on it was rejected for different reasons. Now, James Gosling and his team called their project as Green Talk, and its file extension was .gt, and later became to known as O. So basically, the name oak was used by James Gosling after an oak tree that remains outside the office. Okay, and but you know that after that, it will be renamed as Java, as it was already a trademark by Oak Technology. And later on, the Java name was decided after discussion, and since it was so unique, so that was the final name of this Java, and the extension is .java. So the history of various versions, you can see the first version, the beta version, JDK beta, was released in 1995. After that, JDK 1.0 came in 1996, and JDK 1.1 in the February 1997, and then after JDK 1.2 in the 1998. And these series will continue updating the JDK, and you can see the latest version of the Java that was released on March 19, 2024, that is Java 22. And before that, we have a long-term support that is Java SE21 that was released on September 19, 2023. So you can see the latest version you can download is Java SE21. Okay, it was stable also. So these are the features of Java. So Java is basically the object-oriented. Object-oriented means whenever you are going to do any task in Java, first you have to create the class, you have to create a template of that particular class, and then you can create the object of that class. So everything you have to do with the help of objects and classes. Now, for creating the object, we'll discuss how we can create object with the help of programming. So I will discuss in the next topic how we can create objects in Java, how we can create classes in Java, what is the entry point of Java. Okay. Next, we have platform independent. So platform independent basically means we have a particular application that does not depend on any particular platform. Means suppose you have developed that particular application on Windows, you can run that application as it is on different platform without any change. Okay. But what happens if you migrate that project from one platform to another, then you need dependency of that JDK, JRE, and JVM for that platform. Okay, Java is very simple to learn, and it is also secure. The .class file you will be getting after compilation. You can also convert into jar also. Okay, and you cannot it does not affect by any virus also, because .class does not affect from any virus. Architectural neutral also, Java is architectural neutral. Okay, portable means you can very easily migrate your project from one platform to another also. It is robust. Java is multi-threaded. can create multi-threaded application with the help of Java, and it is interpreted and distributed also. So basically, these are the different features of Java, which makes it a very unique language, and it is very famous for web development also. These are the references that I have used while recording this lecture. Thank you.